Now we talk about key characteristics and information about the Sun in Sun's house that astrologers often consider. 1. Ruling planet. In astrology, the Sun is considered the ruling planet of the zodiac sign Leo. It is associated with leadership, creativity, vitality, and self-expression. 2. Symbolism. The symbol used to represent the Sun in astrology is a circle with a dot at the center, representing the radiant energy and life force it embodies. 3. Life and vitality. The Sun represents life, vitality, and the core essence of an individual's personality. It symbolizes self-confidence, self-awareness, and the ability to shine and be authentic. 4. Ego and identity. The Sun is associated with the ego and individuality. It represents our sense of self, self-image, and how we express ourselves in the world. 5. Consciousness and awareness. The Sun in astrology signifies consciousness, awareness, and the drive for self-realization. It represents the search for meaning and purpose in life. 6. Masculine energy. The Sun is often associated with masculine energy and is seen as the archetypal representation of the father figure. It represents authority, power, and the ability to take charge. 7. Astrological house. The house placement of the Sun in an individual's birth chart reveals the area of life where they are likely to shine and feel most confident. It represents the primary focus of their energy and attention. 8. Core values. The Sun signifies the core values and principles that guide an individual's life. It represents their integrity, moral compass, and the ideals they hold dear. 9. Personal power. The Sun represents personal power and the ability to assert oneself. It symbolizes ambition, willpower, and the drive to succeed. 10. Health and vitality. The Sun is associated with physical health and vitality. Its placement in the birth chart can provide insights into an individual's overall well-being and energy levels. These are some of the key characteristics and information about the Sun in astrology that astrologers consider when analyzing an individual's birth chart. By subscribing to our channel, you'll be the first to know when we release a new video. Whether it's a helpful tutorial, an entertaining vlog, or a thought-provoking discussion, you'll have front-row access to all our future content.